Stop saying Giga Chad. Stop. Stop. Stop saying Giga Chad. Stop. No. That's too much. That's too much. No. Oh my God. Zero. Jesus Christ. There's too many Giga Chads. It's shitting itself. Oh my God, it's crashing. No. You guys are breaking this team. Stop. Oh my God, stop. It's breaking this team. You guys are breaking it. Stop. What is going on? Stop! Oh my God. The voices, they're so loud today. Carther, stop using your mod privileges to spam. Stop! Guys, please! I'm losing my fucking mind.